Did y'all just see that event? I think that just happened in Florida already today, and I think today's Valentine's or whatever. People, as much as people tell you about the specific holidays, y'all still just won't get it, man. Well, before I start, all praise to the Most High, Yeshua, the King of Kings, the Hamashiach Christ. All praise to Yah. But I just happened to see this on that channel, news channel earlier about the event about the stabbing. It's something involving some type of ritual or something. And to be honest with you, you can feel it in the air that there's some negative energy, real bad. It's real bad, circling around. And literally it feels like a walking spirit going around looking for something and just jumping into people to people. And it's real heavy, and I advise people to stay on prayer. And literally earlier, it had me shaking in my boots. I'm telling you, it had me nervous because I felt it. It feels like a heavy wind of energy. And it came through. But then when I knew something was going to happen, another thing that happened today, especially, that I noticed when I looked on Philadelphia News, they put something next to the love sign saying about love hurts or something like that. I could have swore reading in the Bible that it says God is love. So there's people that's really trying to disrupt the word. And people of God, you know, I know y'all know what time it is. Y'all see what's going on. You know, it's too much going on for one state this month for some reason. But it's not right. It's not. If you can see it, stay away from it. Try to stay away from all these news, TV clips, these events or whatever, because something's heavy coming down the pipe, and you better start praying, stay in your word every single night. Even if you have to listen to a few Bible scriptures and lectures, you better get into it so you can really understand the word completely, the whole Bible, and the Apocrypha. The Apocrypha is just part of the. There's some prophecies of current events in the Apocrypha. Okay, read that as well. But I think in order to get through these times, I'm sure a lot of people that's into the Word of God, those are the only things you're going to need to put in your temple right now, because anything else outside of that is not going to protect you mentally and spiritually. You may get some attacks, but that's the point of getting in the seal of God for some reason I just can't get online, so what I'm doing is try to get back on later on tonight. But y'all be careful out there, man, because it's a whole lot of family turning on family, children turning on their parents, you know, like blocking them online or you know, listening to negative people tell them about their life and the routes that they should go. Be careful for that, because it's extreme right now. It really is. And people are finding ways to either have children turn against the mother or the father, and vice versa, you know, because something's not going right in their life. So they think life is a joke or a game, and it's not. It's okay to have fun. It's okay to, you know, express yourself in a certain way. But when it comes to serious events and family and love, man, that's a different story. Don't play with that. I'm talking about you denying love. So if y'all don't like love, or you consider love being hurtful, then you deserve the pain that we're getting right now. Think about that. Don't you think that sounds like the devil saying that? Trying to deny love? What? It doesn't make sense. And then you have a bunch of fools sitting down there, downtown in Center City, around that pen, laughing, joking, and having a good time about the damn sign being distorted. Now, the sign don't really matter. It's just for the individuals that can't see nothing that will take that in and suck it up. It's like another form of, what do you call it? Block? Stumbling block? Be careful, people out there, because there's events taking place right now. So I'm going to sign up. Peace out, y'all.